Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in the centre of Kranjska Gora on this very late August day. It's actually the last day of August and beautiful sunny weather. So today I'm going to do a ride I've done plenty of times before, but not for quite a while, right to the top of the Vršič Pass and then up past the old post office, and then a really nice single track trail descent all the way back down to Kranjska Gora, which goes past the Russian chapel and then ends up by the Pisnica river all the way back into Kranjska Gora. So the bike's already here. I'm on my own today. It's just a very leisurely ride up into the mountains. So let's go. Riding through the centre of and up the Vršič Pass. All the way to the top of it. So as you ascend Vršič all the way up, you have spectacular range, mountain range, and the Pisnica war by Russian prisoners of war, and the hairpin bends and the little cobble streets, even after over 100 years. The test of motorbike, of course, but initially it would have been needed during the First World War when they were fighting the Turks. We have behind me here now I'm at the summit of the Vršič, very summit at the top, and I did a hike and ski. I climbed my snowshoes for my skis. I told myself it was worth doing because it was the first bit of touring skiing. This is what it's like in the dead of winter. Well, that was a nice little refreshing stop here at the old post office. I've had me radler, I've had my sandwich. So now the fun really starts, because from up here, which I think this is where we're at 1650 metres, right at the very top here by the old post office, we now have all of that hill we just came up to go all the way back down, all the way to Kranjska Gora. So let's go. Okay, let's go do it. That's section 1 complete, and we arrive back at the road, and here we go straight across the road. I can see where the drop-in is. And here we are, look. The Russian chapel. River crossing. Followed by the view to die for. Hey, look at that. How about that? The Kranjska Valley. Big jump coming up. Kranjska Gora. Voilà. Finished by the casino. What a ride. So I've just arrived back at base, and I must admit I'm pretty whacked out. 4.5 hours I think it's taken me, but that was the Vršič Pass, the climb to 1650 meters from Kranjska Gora, and then the descent back down towards the Postarski Valley, stopping at the post office for that little bit of refreshment, and the old post office, that is, right at the very top. So yeah, as I say, time to get in there and have something to eat, some refreshment. So if you've liked this one, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave us a comment, tell me what you think, and then I will see you in the next video. Way!